Green fyny at Hood. Thomas. Mamadou Touré. Edrych am Kane McLagan i fewn i gwrdd cyfle McLagan! Ar bêl fymryn heibio'r postyn. Kane McLagan yn cyfnewid y bas yn hyfryd efo Mamadou Touré ar bêl yn mynd heibio'r postyn. Craig, Leo Smith. Asta ymwybodol o'r lle gan Joe Williams. Darren Thomas, galw amdani di fynd ar rediad o hyfryd a Thomas yn sgwar ac i gefn yr wyd o nac di wir. O, cyfle clir i Danny Brookwell. A mi oedd na waith am ddiffyn rhagorol. A mi oedd y gol ar blat i Danny Brookwell. Gwaith ardderchog gan Darren Thomas. McLagan dan bwysa o Gareth Edwards yn awdurdodol. Patton. Brwsi ar peniad yma. Touré ar ergyd o fymryn heibio. Hanner cyfle dyna i gyd mae Mamadou Touré angen. Breeze dal y bêl yn rhagorol Jamie Breeze ac yna yn gadarn yn y dacl mae bêl yn tasgu at Clayton Green ymlaen at y gapten Jordan Cotterill edrych am McLagan, cyfle fan hyn i Kane McLagan yn dal i fynd! Mi oedd yr ongol yn rhy lem i Kane McLagan. Mi oedd Jonathan Hood yn sgwar, ond McLagan gwthio'r bêl yn rhy bell o'i blaen. A chyfle arall wedi mynd i'r ymwelwyr. Peniad i gyfeiriad Breeze yn troi, dal i fynd Jamie Breeze! O, mi gafodd o ergyd ragorol i fewn yn fan yna. Arbediad da gan Mike Lewis. Clayton Green i gymryd y gigrydd. Codi'r bêl at y postyn pella. Luke Cooper ar ergyd. Ar ergyd heibio'r postyn. Bradley. Mae Ryan Williams. Leo Smith. Rwydd hyn ti droi. Smith os y gylym yr ergyd. Smith! O'r bediad rhagorol! Gan Mike Lewis, mi oedd hwnna yn mynd i'r gornel ucha gan Leo Smith. Arbediad gwych gan Mike Lewis. Smith. A Darren Thomas, rwan tam na le o blaen Darren Thomas i ben i lawr, traed cyflym. Patton sydd draw, Thomas yn dal i fynd, oes nergyd i fod gan Darren Thomas. Ceisio gosod y bêl i lwybr Bradley! Symudiad gwych gan Gaernarfon. Darren Thomas yn allweddol yn hi. Pas hyfryd at yr eilydd Sean Bradley. 20 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Y cofis ar y blaen. Bradley. Cyfle am y croesiad. Morgan, mond at Darren Thomas. All o gael ei ergyd i fewn. Thomas at Nathan Craig. O, gwych! Gwych gan y capten Nathan Craig. Da ni wedi chwarae 32 o funudau'r ail hanner. Caernarfon yn dyblu'r fantais. Nathan Craig, y capten.
It was a decent game, similar to a game of chess really. It was trying to figure each other out, but second half you could see that we raised it maybe 10-20%. The first goal was an unbelievable move and the second one I was right behind, and Nathan is capable of something like that, to be honest. But to beat a team as good as Barry, they're a fantastic side, fantastic management who I respect a lot. I've just been saying they're off camera, they've helped me greatly since I've come up to the league. And they're a fantastic side, rightfully deserve to be, challenging for the title. And to get a 2-0 win here, like you said, Bryn, it's the ideal start to the second phase of the season.
In the first half, I wouldn't say that we played very well, but I think we got ourselves in good positions. We lost that sort of killer instinct in the final third today. We were quite sloppy and that was disappointing. Second half, I think that wasn't exactly pleased with the performance, but I wouldn't say there was huge much in it, but credit to them. I think that they scored a good goal from their perspective, poor from ours. The tails are up then, and I think in the end, they deserve to win the game.
So brilliant. Oedden ni'n gwybod beth nhw'n mynd i ddod yma, nhw'n mynd i fel dda. A nath rocio chwarae'n superb chwarae teg a gael 3 points.